What is going on, boys? Before we hop into this POV drive, I just wanted to show you guys some new parts we got for the 340 and say thank you to a few sponsors. So as y'all can see right here, we got the MHD Flex Fuel Kit. Huge thank you to these guys for sending this out to me. Last year I was running ethanol with no Flex Fuel Kit. That's the most stressful thing, trying to get that mixture right. It will have you stressed out. So huge thank you to MHD for sending me their Flex Fuel Kit. This is going to play a major part in the build and what I have planned for the car. And back here we have some ECS coilovers. I took this one out the bag. You guys can kind of see it. How sick that looks, bro. I cannot wait to get this on the car. Just have to wait for it to stop snowing so much. Super excited for those. And right here we got the vanish plate. This is actually from my own website. Link in the description for everything. The MHD Flex Fuel Kit, the ECS coils, and also the vanish plate. I have 8 of them in stock. This one's going on my car. I want you guys to help me in deciding, should I go chrome grills? And if I do go chrome grills, I'm going to be running the chrome badges as well and the chrome exhaust tips. Or should I just stick with the blacked out look? Hey, what is happening, boys? We are back with another video immediately. I'm putting this thing in Sport Plus. I just went on a pretty long drive, so the car is warm. And my bad for taking so long to upload, bro. It's been like a month. And as you guys saw from the first clip, don't mind this, my armrest. It's always popping out, so I just gotta snap it in like that. Yeah, as you guys saw in that clip before the video, that was actually like 2 nights ago. I was supposed to go on a drive, but then it snowed like crazy. That's what caused all of this. But yeah, we got some coilovers. We got a bunch of stuff for the car, bro. I just got some suspension parts. I got like a full tie rod for the left and right side, control arms, strut tension bars or something like that. But I got a lot pretty much though. A lot of stuff for the... Oh shit, my door ain't even closed, bro. What the hell? Okay, I think I got it down. But yeah, we got a bunch of stuff for the car suspension wise, and I'm super excited to get them on. I'm just waiting for one good weekend because it's gonna take, I'm installing them myself, so I know it's gonna take me like a good 2 days to get everything on because I'm doing the whole suspension, the control arms, all of that, and the coilovers all at once. So I just want to knock them out, then get an alignment, because whichever one I do, I have to get an alignment, so might as well do it all at once. We going into March, so spring is coming in, so the weather should be better. The snow should start melting hopefully in like at least 3 to 4 weeks, I'm gonna say. But yeah, once I get a good weekend, I'm gonna put everything on the car. I kind of want to get like some new wheels because this is the only set of wheels I have right now. The black TEs I had on before, I sold those, so I might want to get new wheels for the summer, or I'm just gonna put my summer tires back on the 437Ms. I can't decide yet because I really like these, but they are busted up from winter, bro. I just did not want to put ugly wheels on the car because every year I do that, and yeah, I don't like doing it. So I'll just run the 437Ms through winter. I messed them up. They're not that bad when they're cleaned up, but I'll see what it's like. I'll see what it's like. We maybe get new wheels or not, but I'm definitely getting a turbo, and hopefully that comes before. It's probably not going to be in the spring. It depends what turbo I get, to be honest. If it's just like a pure 800 or something like that, I could get it in the spring because those are much cheaper, but I kind of want to get a top mount, and those are like 10-11 grand, bro. I checked them out, but damn, they're super expensive. So I don't know if it makes sense. There is so much more things I could do with that amount of money, or I could just get like a dynamic AutoWorks turbo. That's like 5,000 I've seen Canadian dollars. These prices are in, by the way. I'm trying to decide what I should get because whatever turbo I get is pretty much going to max out the car to 650 wheel horsepower. So I don't know, it's kind of just personal preference. I just want that top mount for the look and the power delivery. I know it feels a lot different, but we're gonna see. If it's a top mount, bro, I don't know if I can spend all that money right now. I cannot justify that. I'll probably save up some more and get that top mount closer to summertime, or I just get a pure 800 and spend my money wisely and not on my car. But I love this thing, bro, so I just might. Oh, I see a Beamer. Damn, 7 Series.
Bitch, I run thugs, get to the point. Ain't no seeds, bitch, just run a couple of
R.I.P. to Lil Papa, bro. Forget, dude. XHP shifts, bro. What is that? X3, oh not X5. People, bro. That boy almost got hit. Crazy view though, right? I hope it's not too windy, bro. Oh, I like this bridge. Uphill send. X-Drive hooks up so well though. I'm starting to like it. I used to hate on it, but with X-Delete, I guess you can't really complain. Only thing is still an open diff. But I'm trying to find some solution to that actually. Like I want to keep X-Drive, be able to go rear wheel drive, but make it open diff. I'm wondering if I could run like a M340i diff in my car, like, because I know those are open diffs, or LSD, I'm pretty sure. Shit, I missed my turn. I know those are LSD, but I don't know, bro. I actually don't, but I'm pretty sure they are. So I'm trying to figure that out, because yeah, I know once you like start to run more boost, bigger turbo, all of that, open diff starts to become an issue. Not really, because I've seen fast cars like over 800 wheel with open diffs. So I guess I'm a little bit extra for saying that, but I want to slide that boy. I feel like this is a boring POV. Let me know if y'all like the video. I guess the views will tell, but that's why I don't make a lot of POVs in winter. When it's summertime, you could just hop out and be like, damn, I'm just gonna make a POV today because I'm in the mood for it. But winter time, bro, I'm barely in the mood for driving when it's winter because you can't do much. You're always in traffic. His license plate, I so smart. That's pretty sick. And I guess that's the kind of car too. Bro, this lady trying to die. And this guy looking at me. She the one that sprinted all the way from over there. I would be in the wrong though, because she has a cross, but hey, why sprint into the thing when there's like a second left? Bro, my car looks so shambles right now. I can't even like make no TikToks, no reels. That's my fault though. I could have fixed it up. But I don't see the point of like putting back a front lip on. Front lip I run is the Varis style. I'm gonna have it on my website. Also, I know I don't mention it enough, but I do have a website that I sell a lot of BMW parts on and some other cars as well. So you guys can check that out. But yeah, I run the Varis lip and that thing is like 400 or 500, bro. So breaking that in like a week, I'm not trying to do that. Probably more of a chill POV with just me yapping away, but it's been way too long since I made a video. We're gonna be back in like, I want to say maybe like 3 to 4 weeks. I'm gonna be putting those coilovers on and everything else that I got for the car. Full refresh on everything. Car should be driving amazing after. And yeah, let me know in the comments as well, what turbo should I get for the car? I just want to know you guys' opinion. I still haven't personally decided this yet, but let me know what you guys think. And yikes, y'all see that crazy pothole I just hit? That's why my wheels are so messed up. But thank you boys for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next one.